that way you're and then making sure families are not strong and stable, because if you have a family that's if you have five fingers that make a fist, that's a lot of power, but five individual fingers have no power. So a family that gets together and has a unified economic plan can get together and start businesses and build wealth together and all these other things, because there's various ways, and I can actually show you this mathematically. This is what we study in as finance PhDs. Mathematically, it can be proven that when you're working together as a group, your risk level drops, your wealth increases because you're sharing resources, you're sharing risk, you're sharing opportunities. So your likelihood of success is much greater when you are a five-fingered fist. So if I break you up, if I make the man hate the woman and the children hate the parents and the kids hate each other, then you have five individual fingers. So that's five individual people that all have to go to a job, serve in a corporation. That's five individual people who are all going to pay money to separate landlords. That's five individual people who are drowning in the sea of capitalism in America, instead of actually five people getting together and building a boat.